Hey, I'm Bruce, and we're gonna cook yet another chicken recipe, roasted drumsticks, Chinese style. Use a kitchen towel to dry 8 drumsticks, and make some cuts on the surface. They'll help the flavor to enter the chicken more easily. Sprinkle a thin layer of salt on both sides of the drumsticks. I'm using kosher salt here, so it's probably one of the least salty salt out there. Even though it looks like a lot, I'm not gonna get a heart attack from it. And then, give it a gentle rub. To make the marinade sauce, we need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half cup of soy sauce, 2 chopped green onions, 2 to 3 sliced garlic cloves, and some Chinese cooking wine or any alcohol you have. To marinate the chicken, what works for me is to put 4 drumsticks into a 1-quart Ziploc bag. And put in half of the sauce. You can put them into the fridge for at least half an hour. Get an oven tray and cover it with foil. The foil can save you a lot of mess to clean up later. Put your roast rack or whatever you call it into the tray and place your drumsticks on it. The thing about roast rack is that you don't need to flip the chicken every few minutes anymore, and the texture of the meat will be much more consistent. Put the drumsticks into the 430-degree preheated oven and let it cook for about 10 minutes until the chicken skin is completely dry. In the meantime, let's make some chili oil. You can use any chili oil you have, but if you don't, here's a simple but delicious recipe. Use about 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn powder, and 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds. Heat up 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, not too hot that it'll burn the chili flakes. Pour the oil into the mixture of spices, but remember, do not use regular ceramic or glass bowl for this. Use something that's at least oven safe. Explosion and hot oil splashing is not on this recipe. Let the oil cool down for about 1 minute and add just a splash of vinegar. Add a pinch of optional Chinese 13 spice powder, and you'll get this killer chili sauce. After 10 minutes is down, take the drumsticks out of the oven and brush the chili oil onto both sides of the chicken. The oil also helps to fry the chicken skin, so it's going to be crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. Put the drumsticks back to the oven, same temperature, and let them roast for about 25 to 30 minutes. Play with your cats for a little bit. If you don't have any, just go to YouTube and search for cats cute videos. The last step, add cumin to the drumsticks. You can use ground cumin or cumin seeds, but be sure to use a generous amount of it. Cumin is a single soul of Chinese barbecue. Put the chicken back to the oven for about 2 minutes, and enjoy your dinner. If you like my videos, be sure to subscribe. I have new recipes coming up every 1 to 2 weeks.
Oh, that was intense.